Ay, just gave my life to Christ. Right? It's your boy BigDuece, hey? So look. Ay.
Rain on me, Lord, rain. Rain on me, Lord, rain.
God, can you take away all these burdens? Can you take away all these burdens? Can you break away all my chains? Can you break away all my chains? Cause God, I'll be all in this pain. I'll be all in this pain. Can you whip away all my tears? Cause I cannot feel them but rain. Ay, but rain. Rain on me, Lord. Rain on me, Lord. Like, forgive me all my sins, and forgive me all my sins. I'm trying to wash away them all before your wrath begins. I'm trying to fulfill my glory. I'm trying to fulfill my story. So, rain, just rain on me, Lord. Ay. And I know this is crazy, and I know this is crazy, but my life been driving me in circles and memories driving me hazy. Ay. So rain on me, Lord. Yeah, wash away all my sins, dear Lord. Ay. And I know you always hear the places, and I know you always hear the places, cause you know your name is Holy Son of Jesus. But I give my life to you, and I give my life to you. Ay. So what am I gonna do? Like, what am I gonna do? I gave my life to you, and I gave my life to you. Oh. So rain, Lord, rain on me, Lord. Ay. And I know you the man upstairs, and I know you the man upstairs, and you know I care, and you know I care. Oh, so rain on me, Lord. Rain on me, Lord. Forgive me of the past. Don't know all the troubles, it could be the last. Rain on me, Lord. Yeah. Rain, Lord. Rain on me, Lord. Remember all the times when I was all in this pain. I was all in this pain. Man, I could feel my tears falling, and I could always feel the rain. But you saved me, Lord. Just rain on me, Lord.
Rain on me, Lord,
Rain, Lord, rain. Just rain on me, Lord.
rain on me, Lord.
Yeah, breaking all my chains. You're breaking all my chains. So rain on me, Lord.